Hello guys, welcome to today's video. It's been a long time I posted a video, so today I'm going to make a video very special for you. In today's video we'll be talking about NFTs, and I'm going to show you the most clever way to invest in NFT, how you can buy NFT, and how to get early on some projects. Actually, I've made a lot of videos about OpenSea. So if you're new to OpenSea, you can check out my other videos so that you'll get up to date about OpenSea. I also made a video on how you can create your own account on OpenSea. If you're new to this channel, in this channel we discuss about finance, we discuss about NFT, how to invest money smartly, and how to make profits with cryptocurrency. At the end of this video, if you like it, I want you to give it a thumbs up and also a sub to the channel. It's going to be fantastic. Without wasting much of your time, let's get into the video. In today's video, I want to show you a website I use to get early in NFT projects. The name of that website is nftcalendar.io. So as soon as you go to your favorite browser, all you need to type in is NFT calendar. As you can see it here, NFT calendar. So as soon as that is done, you click on the first website, nft calendar.io. Actually, there are other websites that offer the same services too, but these are the ones, this is the one I've used and this is the one I trust. So with the help of this website, you'll be able to see NFT projects that are about to be launched so that you can get in early, or the ones that have already been launched. And with this you can see some projects that you might be interested in. Actually, when you open the website for the first time, this is what you will see. So the first thing you need to do, these are NFTs that will be dropping today. You can see there's today, upcoming, ongoing, and the newest. So we are going to click on upcoming so that we see NFTs that are upcoming. And in this video I'm going to show you how to choose upcoming projects that you can make profits from, so that in future the more people who buy it, the more percentage you are going to get from it. So first of all, you are free to go through this project to see any one you choose. So we are going to use one, for example. I like this one, Yacht AI. So we are going to look at it. There are specific things you need to look at when investing in a project like this. First of all, you need to find out when will this project be launched. As you can see, it's going to be launched on the 22nd of this month, January. On the 21st, I mean, of January. That is between 21st of January. Yes, that is when it's going to be launched. First thing you need to pay attention to is how detailed their description is. So you are going to pay attention to that, how detailed their description is. The next thing you need to check out is their website. Three things. The first thing is how detailed their description is. The second thing, you're going to check out their website to see if it looks professional or not. As you can see, this is just simply amazing. This is the kind of website the owner have taken time to design and make it look beautiful. But that is just one. You can also join their Discord channel to see the amount of people who are interested or how popular this person is. So when I look at the Discord, this is what I pay attention to. How many members do they have and how many active users do they have? Actually, this is reasonable. But the disadvantage of entering an NFT of someone who has large members is that on the day of launch, you are going to be competing with a whole lot of people. So in most cases, I like NFT that have a very small how should I say, audience, so that on the day it is being launched, I don't need to compete with a whole lot of people. Imagine competing with 20,000 people on the day of launch to buy this NFT. You know, everybody that buys, the price keep going up and up. So what we need is at the cheapest price. So this NFT is quite interesting. So you can actually check that Twitter page if you're interested in that. But first and foremost, you need to make sure the person is verified. So you need to make sure the person is verified. So this is one way you can get early NFTs. So if you're interested in that, you can also, and there's one more thing. one more thing. So what you just need to do is copy the person's name and take it to OpenSea, this website, and you're going to search it here. So when you open it, OpenSea, you want to see if this person is real. You want to see if this person is real. As you can see, there's actually, it looks like a fake account. This one is made to look like this one. As you can see, there's a dash here. So while the original owner, let's click on it so that we can see what he has. He has 10 items. As you can see, all of them at a very cheaper rate. So while at the moment the floor price is about 0.0 Ethereum, that would be about $100 or so, and you can see he has sold, the total volume he has sold is just one. Good. So as you see, this project is still very early. It has not completely been launched yet. So this is how you can find early NFT projects that are about to be launched. You can use the website nftcalendar.io, but you need to pay attention closely to the three important things. The three important things you need to pay attention is how detailed the descriptions are. As you can see, this one is quite short, but you need to read it and see how detailed it is. That is one. Number two, you need to check out the website to make sure it looks professional as possible. Most of these projects, their websites looks like something you just copy and paste. Yeah, I've seen some NFTs that are used to scam people. Their website is as copy and paste, so you need to avoid that. Then also you need to check the community behind that NFT, the community behind it. As you can see, this one have 18,000 members, so this is legit. If you go back to NFT calendar, you can see this person is also verified. So there are a lot of people waiting for this NFT to be launched so that they can be early investors. So this is how I'm able to find early NFT that I can invest in. If you like this video, if this video was helpful for you, I want you to give it a like, and also a sub to the channel will be fantastic. If you have any question, I want you to write it down in the comment section. If I'm able to answer it, I'll answer it in the comment section for you. If I'm not able, I'm going to make a research, create a video, and I'm going to give you an answer to it. So thank you very much for staying to the end.